Yes, good afternoon. This is JP here from Nepal taking a look at gold live price. Uh, Closing of gold was all-time high. Closing of Friday gave us price above all-time high. Yeah, because this is JP having a look at gold price. No doubt that gold is pushing its price higher and higher. Every Friday closing, we gotta see a new high. No doubts that from all. Yeah, here I'm really interested. Here I'm really interested at shorting market for certain like pullbacks. This gonna give some pullbacks here. I like to short. Uh, I'm really interested to short gold right now. What we can do is like at the opening of market we can short gold for like we can scalp some. We can get around 50 and $100. So easy moves to gold this week. Here gonna be so easy move for gold. Certain pullbacks and decline in price will uh, push price below key levels like 4450 and 4400 as well. Please note it down. Price pullbacks and declines gonna hit like 4450 and 4400. Yes, gold is at all-time high. No doubt since last March 25, this is the highest price ever recorded. No doubt there is like all-time high price ever recorded since last 25 year. This is the all-time high price. Yes, all-time high. What could be the reason that gold is going to push its price higher and higher every weekend closing? We gotta see some new price here. Let's check it out. Seriously, I gotta see some details. I gotta know something about like central banks are continuing to accumulate gold and of course cutting rates around the world, especially the Federal Reserves here. It seems like the central banks are quite interested here. They are accumulating gold and of course cutting rates around the world also. These are the issue that going to push the price above higher and higher all-time high. Every week Friday closing we gotta see a new closing above high, a new higher and high. Uh, we can I would like to mention that also now gold has been also several bulls contracts and signs uh, also mention these policies. Gold is also now as we can take gold as asset allocator also. Yes, gold has been an asset allocator also, and seriously these all these all decisions gonna accumulate gold and we gotta see like every Friday closing we get a new high here. mm, All-time high right now. We gotta see a scenario in gold that it is pushing its price higher and higher, slightly higher and higher. Long trial, yeah, pushing its price higher and higher. Rally of high price here. We gotta see a trend like this is weekly one. We're right now taking a look at weekly chart of gold. This is the weekly one. Yes, I would like to mention that in weekly here we gotta see some stuff like in every Friday closing, we gold gotta push high, new high. Every Friday closing, I gotta see. high in price, increase in price. This increase in price can push price rising above around 4900 level. 4900 level, 4900 level would be potential target here. 4900 level, it seems to be potential target here. I'd like to mention. All right, I'll mark it over here. Yes, after this rally of long hike, we gotta see a potential target towards 4900 level. This target 4900 could be a new high. Yes, still, I guess till February, till last of this February, we gotta see a new high. 4900, 4900 could be a new high here. Gold has been asset allocator, it's gonna push its price higher and higher also because it's so precious metal also really uh, eh, from the point of psychology also we can see that no matter how much decline comes to the gold, no matter what price pushes downward, certain policies every decades there is some new step into decision that gonna accumulate gold for like these central banks are accumulating gold and cutting rates around the world. This gold has been mentioned as this metal is gonna be asset allocator now. These all stocks gonna make the price of gold higher and higher, all time high. Uh, no matter how much decline it brings to the price, it might one day it might gonna hit towards 3200, 32300 level also. One day it might gonna be 3300, but for sure there would be the rise and continuation in the price high of the gold all-time high. It's gonna give us new price every Friday closing. Weekly chart gonna be so like weekly chart gonna be pushing price higher every Friday closing gonna get a new high price. So here we got a scenario that yeah, let's talk something like see how skyrocket is gonna be here. It's gonna move like no matter what the scenario is, I'm gonna give the closing above. This is like something like gangster shit, always high. I'm at the top of the market. Yes, and here I'm quite interested at sorting from this point here. Quite interested at sorting of the market here, right here at the top of the market. Quite interested of sorting at these levels. Like to mark some. This is gonna be really interesting level here. This upcoming this next week, gold gonna give a better pullbacks, better price decline towards key levels. So I'm really interested here to short some. Uh, yes, from this point of price level, we gotta see some selling zone here. Big selling. Nah, so not. Yeah, big selling zone could be a big selling zone also. Let's see how it gonna retest its key level and uh, do this gold gonna find their support or gonna break below. But for sure, this gonna retest and give some pullbacks below 4510. Yes, this could be a great opportunity for bringing some easy profits here. Situation here. See how gold gonna give its closing evolve and evolve, price higher and higher every Friday closing. We gotta see a new high, and definitely let's calculate mm, from 37 level to 4372. Let's do a bit of calculations here. It's gonna like around $2,000 above. Oh shit, man. This gonna be $2,000 of price increase. Ooh, this is a really interesting. Yes, dear friends, I'd like to mention that right now the scenario of gold is like we are trading at all-time high price of gold ever recorded since last 25 year. This is the all-time high price of gold. We are trading at the highest level price of gold last past 25 years. This is a really interesting factor here. Uh, this generation gonna be so lucky that the gold price is all-time high, pushing above all-time high since last 25 years here. And I'm quite interested of sorting market here below many key levels. Gonna make some new structures. Let's see how gold gonna move next month, next weekend onwards. Right now I'm interested to short market here. I'm gonna place some orders of short shillings here. $1,000 of price hike price. Really interesting thing. Got a short market from here. I'd like to mention a simple logic for gold. For gold, for any market, yes, this would be capable of working on any market. See, like we gotta see long rise here since the support 1800, 1600 level, 1800, 1600 level was long sideways. This was amazing journey here. We gotta make so great trade profits at this sideways. We were selling at higher level, buying at lower level. This was the amazing year for trade. I still remember my 23, 22, 2022, 2023 was amazing year for trade that allowed us to easy profits without any risk. Sideways can be bring you lots of profit. Like in sideways, what it gonna do is like there is a resistance and a support, and market gonna play. You just need to place order at sort at high, sell at high, uh, and buy at low, take long positions at low of the sideways. And whenever you gotta like break out, there is no risk almost. You only get to hit one, two, three wrong stop loss at the end of breakout of the sideways. Sometimes you gotta deal with profits also, but in this sideways we can place around according to your account and equity size. Literally, we're gonna place around like okay, let's talk about my trading journey of that 22 and 23. Uh, 2022. And 2023, I gotta uh, place orders like buy and sell, both like trend, where the trend goes, where the sideways breaks. There was a scenario like there is sideways, and inside a sideways we gotta see some bullish trend, bearish trend. But no matter where that gotta be, that bullish trend is inside a sideways, and that bearish trend is also inside a sideways. No matter it's bullish or bearish, the market will keep moving sideways, maintaining a trend. Sometimes it's gonna be bullish, sometimes it's gonna be bearish, but overall price action, overall change in price will be sideways at a particular zone. And that was amazing. For that is a conclusion of that sideways topic is every even a beginner trader, also a beginner trader can make better money. Easy trades are posted at sideways, and then after the breakouts of yeah, here it goes. After the breakout of sideways above 1800 level, we gotta see gold starts its rally, continues price pushing higher and higher. We gotta see a big change in price, higher and higher, and still expecting for yes, I gotta place some new orders here. Going to short market, short some till 4450, 4400. Can get some pullbacks here, pullbacks and decline in price. Gonna hit 4450 as well, 4400 soon till the end of February. We gotta see some new high also. But for right now, the situation in gold is like we got a change in situation somehow. We gotta see some pullbacks here after this long hike rally, pushing price higher and higher. We gotta see some pullbacks below 4450 as well as 4400 also. Yes, this is AP taking a look at gold live price. We gotta assume this situation in details. We gotta push in details that how gold is going to push its price higher and higher above, and how this gonna retest its key levels at 450044. Sorry, that how it gonna retest it measure key levels at 4450 as well as 4400. Mhm. Yes, this is the weekly analysis here. We gotta sort some, keep updated, stay tuned. We gotta show how gold is pushing its price declining. Now gold gonna decline its price in daily time frame also. Yes, let's check it out how it goes. I'm going to put some shorts over here at the opening of market. At the opening of market, we can put some shorts. Please watch our previous video so that you can know how we place some shorts in our previous video. And still I'm holding some shorts here at the all-time high price. Gonna place some more shorts here according to account. uh we'll discuss about that later in next video. All right, this long hike rally here. Yes, breaking of this channel would confirm some. It's gonna break here again, selling zone here. Oh shit. It means like this can next candle gonna retest a new next candle gonna maybe, but very low probability. Yeah, can't risk it out there. All right, here we got a scenario. Quite interested at pulling some shorts here at the top of market. Yes, this is AP taking a look at gold live price. Stay updated, stay tuned. This is AP taking a look at live price gold. Last Friday closing is all-time high. Gold is pushing its price higher and higher of all time. Seriously, now it is gonna bring some pullbacks and rejections, uh, retesting some key levels like 450, 400 levels. Some pullbacks gonna be seen next week. Opening of next will be opening of next week will be some bearish continuation structure there at lower time frames, and at weekly time frame it will retest it key level area 4450 4400 soon, and then it continues its rally onwards above a new high. This is for gold live right now. Stay tuned for next video. We'll be talking in details about this.